Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Lata Berigoda. Today's video, yet another an idiom, raining cats and dogs, means raining so heavily we can't describe that how much rains each day or very rarely the time we say raining cats and dogs means heavy rain. For example, we had cancelled picnic planning yesterday because it was raining cats and dogs. If you are going to go outside today, there is a raining cats and dogs. Better to grab an umbrella for your safety purpose because it's a raining cats and dogs. Yes, even though there is a raining cats and dogs wedding ceremony as the wedding ceremony was so beautiful and it happened very nicely. Okay, I have made here 3 sentences by using an idiom raining cats and dogs. In your place where you are staying at, you might be seeing heavy rain. Though you say just it's raining cats and dogs. Okay. And also, don't forget it. Write down this idiom on your notebook like raining cats and dogs, and also make some sentences. It's better to start up and sentences by using raining cats and dogs.